Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to find nearby friends on Discord. So let me show you how you can find them. So the first one is using a Discord tag. So open the add a friend tab and type the person's Discord tag, username, hash, then that tag. Click add friend to send a request. And the second one is searching within a server or group. Go to the server or group where you believe the person is. Use the search bar to enter their username or server profile name. They should appear in the search results even if you are not friends. And the another one is seeking contacts. If you are trying to find friends who are on your phone contacts, you can enable find your friends. This feature will sync your contacts and show you which ones are on Discord. You can then add them as friends if they have Find Your Friends enabled. And the last one is using Discord ID. Discord IDs are unique numbers assigned to each user. You can mention someone by their ID using the syntax like this, where the number is their ID. You can also search for users by their ID on the desktop app. So yeah, this is how you can find your nearby friends on Discord. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.